Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a fidget scamming skit. And if you're not familiar with scamming or skit stuff, scamming is just you're not being honest, kind of. And then doing a skit, it's just fake. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Oh, hi guys. So I guess today's video is just gonna be random. Oh, I got a text. Okay. So, oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot I have a fidget stop. Well, sorry, this is a really bad phone, guys. So, yeah. Wow, they got $100 in fidgets. Okay, first, they ordered a fidget cube. I only have one fidget cube and it's my favorite. Give them this. It's not my favorite, but I still like it. It's not as good as my fidget cube. So I'm gonna throw that in the box. So the box. I'm just gonna set that down in there. I have no packaging shipping stuff, so they're gonna have to deal with that. Okay, next they said they wanted a poppet. Wait, no. Yeah, they said they wanted a poppet. I don't have one poppet out of my whole collection. Maybe instead of a poppet, I can give them this. It kind of looks like a poppet. You can flip things in and out. It's just really hard. Yeah, see? Well, actually, it makes a noise. So, that's my scam poppet. So I have nothing to give them, so I have to scam them. Duh. I'm gonna be back and grab more fidgets. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Next, they said they want an Orbeez stress ball. I don't have any Orbeez stress balls. And I love Orbeez stress balls. I already had to give them all away. Well, I guess I could give them this. Let me just grab it. Yeah. Well, it's going to take a million years to grab. So, okay. Oh my gosh, I can't grab it. Literally, I can't. Okay, guys, I finally almost got it. Okay, I got it. And it's kind of a stress ball. You can use it as a stress ball. Wow, I have really bad lighting right now. What is wrong with my light right now? Oh, I'm going to try fixing it. Okay, there we go. So you can kind of squish it like a Orbeez stress ball, I guess. So I'm going to throw that in. Yeah. Next, they said they want a fish squishy. Let's see. So guys, I actually gave away my last fish squishy. So I think I'm going to give them this fish bead thing. Not too bad. Yeah. Next, they said they said make sure to put packaging fuzz. This is all the packaging fuzz they get. Okay. They said a foam stress ball. I don't have a foam stress ball. Did I even put that on my app? I did. I put it as a black foam stress ball. This works. It has foam beads in it. It's just the And it has a back thing kind of like that. I think I can kind of trick them. Then they said they wanted a slot machine. Well, I might have put my other one away, so I'm gonna just give them this Mario one. It works the same. It's just not as fun. Well, let's ship this. So guys, I just got my fidget package. I just got my fidget package. Okay. I think this is my packaging from. That's all they gave me. Well, I don't think that counts. I don't really care. First, what is this? Let me check back on my order. Oh, this must be the fidget cube. It looks a little weird. It's okay. Ooh, what's this? Is this my poppet? I can't even flip it. Well, oh, this is my fish squishy. It is squishy, I guess it counts. Oh, my slot machine. I like this one. It would be stressful. I was excited for that. And finally, my foam squishy. Oh, actually, I need this. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's gaming video. If you did, smash that like button. If I get to 10 likes, I will do a part 2. Bye! Oh, wait. Just to say, tell your friends about my channel, because I only have 1% of you guys are subscribed to my channel that watch it. So, go subscribe. Bye!